Door lock that's not locking, that won't latch at all. I'm going to attempt to see if we can repair this and see what's going on. Maybe it'll work out, maybe not, maybe it's time for a new lock. What we have is a release tab right here. Just got to push it down with a flat screwdriver and then pull the handle out. So just insert. Push the tab down and pull out, like so. Then for the trim, pull it off like so. And for the inner portion, pull and twist it here. Just enough to rotate the plate out, like so. I'll pull it apart, take a look. And here's our mechanism. It is not locking at all. Like we're missing a spring here that would push this mechanism over, and when I pulled it all apart I saw it go flying down the drain, so I think that's a go. Well, just to show how this works, what it has is usually a spring in this side here that presses this in and allows you to lock it like so, and then the door can't unlock because this is maintaining pressure here until it's released by the second handle. See, there we go. Can't unlock it, then gets released by the second handle, the inner portion, and then it's unlocked. So I was able to recover my spring from the drain, and now I'm going to show you how this deal should line up, how we were missing the spring here for locking and unlocking. Anyway, the spring right here should go in right back here. In theory, it'll just set inside right there. And you can see how it pushes back on the latch or locks into place until it's pushed back on the latch from the inside. So the outer portion, this portion right here, gets locked in, and then the inner portion is able to push on the inside and free up the lock. So, and anyway, here goes. We'll insert our lock and get this portion all set up. So here's the outer portion, and it's rotated in, and everything is how it should be, okay? So we lock the lock, and now it can't turn. Once we stick the inner portion in, which goes in this way, it's able to turn the inner portion and unlock it, in theory. Just like so. Okay. Anyway, let's put this all together. What this does here is it's got these slots right here, and they line up with the slots on the latch. And we pass it through the slots, just like so, so that it's all seated here. Now we've got our insert and trim plate. This gets rotated in like so, and then we rotate until the screws latch into the correct position and we're able to tighten them down. Okay. Now we pass our trim plate over with the hole for the lock, put it on that side, and this little keeper snaps into place. Next, we're going to insert the handle with the slot opening on the right side, and then we'll press in that tab and slip the handle over. So we push in the little tab, push in the handle, and there we go. Now it's locked in place. Okay, now we can test it out. There's our lock. The lock will not turn from that side. Then from this side, the lock opens up. We're good to go. All fixed. All set there. Probably kind of time for a new lock anyway. But anyway, that's how you can rework one of these kind of privacy locks. This is a Weslock. Yes, it is. Good to go.